Hey there, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Facebook account here in 2026. Now, whether you're on an iPhone, Android, or even a computer, you can always delete your account. Unfortunately, Facebook constantly changes around where this deletion button is, but I'm going to show you a foolproof way on to be able to find it and delete your account. Now open up the Facebook app or go to facebook.com. I'm using my wife's account because she is upgraded to the new format of Facebook. They've just recently moved things around. Tap on the three lines at the top left. Scroll down. Tap on Settings and Privacy. Tap on Settings at the top. You'll get to a screen that looks like this. If you're not able to get to your settings, or if your Facebook looks a bit different, like my profile does and my account, another option you have is to tap on the search bar at the top right, and then just type in settings and tap search. Tap on general account settings. This will bring you to your general settings, and at that point, it should be the exact same no matter what device you're on. Tap on See More in Account Center. Scroll down. Tap on Manage Accounts. Tap on Manage next to Facebook. Tap on Deactivation or Deletion. In this case, we want to delete your account, so tap on Delete Account. Deleting your account is permanent. Now keep in mind, I'm going to show you the exact steps you need to go through from this point on. It does change, and it's really important you choose the right things. Scroll down, tap on Continue. Usually, it will ask you why you're deleting. It doesn't matter what you choose here. Tap on Continue. Now it says time spent. Let's tap on Continue. We do want to delete it. It does say, do you want to keep your messenger or save all your posts or export your information? If you want to do that, go ahead and do it. Tap on Continue at the bottom. Enter in the password for your account. So let me autofill my password here. And just like that, I can autofill and hit Continue. Next, it says permanent account deletion. Once you schedule your account to be deleted, you have 30 days to be able to cancel this. After 30 days, your account is permanently deleted. If you're ready to go, just tap the blue delete account button. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out this video over to my right. I think you'll really like it. Thanks, guys.